श्री शारदा भवन एजुकेशन सोसाइटीज यशवंत महाविद्यालय नांदेड, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कॉमर्स एंड मैनेजमेंट ई लेक्चर सीरीज, क्लास M.Com second year third semester. Subject research methodology. Topic meaning and definition of research. From myself Dr. Harishchandra Patange, Professor and Head PG Department of Commerce and Management. Friends, we are going to study now meaning and definition of research. Research in general refers to a search for knowledge. One can also define research as a scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a specific topic. In fact, research is an art of scientific investigation. Here, research means search for knowledge. Research means scientific and systematic search for pertinent information on a particular specific topic, or it is also an art of scientific investigation. The Advanced Learner's Dictionary of Current English lays down the meaning of research as a careful investigation or inquiry, especially through search for new facts in any branch of knowledge. Means here, in any branch of knowledge, when we are going to find the new facts, we are going to search the new facts. In such thing, a careful investigation or inquiry is considered as research. Redman and Moore define research as a systematized effort to gain new knowledge. Means according to Redman and Moore, research is nothing but it is a systematized effort or systematically efforts to gain new knowledge or to obtain new knowledge. Some people consider research as a movement from the known to the unknown. It is actually a voyage of discovery. इट इज ॲक्च्युअली व्हॉवेज ऑफ डिस्कवरी, एक शोधाचा प्रवास आहे. वी ऑल पजेस क्युरिओसिटी टू अंडरस्टँड द अननोन. आपल्याला जे माहीत नाही ते जाणण्याची क्युरिओसिटी आपल्याकडे असते, जिज्ञासा असते. दिस क्युरिओसिटी इज द मदर ऑफ ऑल नॉलेज अँड द मेथड विच मॅन एम्प्लॉईज फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग द नॉलेज ऑफ व्हॉट एवर द अननोन कॅन बी टर्म्ड ॲज रिसर्च. मीन्स such unknown knowledge we are going to obtain by which method? That method is called as research. Research is an academic activity and as such the term should be used in the technical sense. According to Clifford Woody, research comprises or consists defining and redefining problems, formulating hypotheses or suggested solutions, collecting, organizing and evaluating the data, making deductions and reaching conclusions, and at the last carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit to the formulating hypothesis. Means according to Clifford Woody, research is nothing but it consists defining and redefining the problems. Whatever research problem is there, we have to define or redefine here. Secondly, we have to formulate the hypothesis or suggested solutions. Hypothesis means nothing but before your research work, whatever you are going to assume, these assumed statements are called as hypotheses. Suggested solutions means you can suggest solutions on any research problem before your research work. Accordingly, you are going to collect the data, you are going to organize the data, you are going to analyze and evaluate the data, and after that you are making some deductions from this data and reaching the proper conclusions. At the last, carefully testing the conclusions to determine whether they fit in the formulating hypothesis. ते हार्मुलेट हायपोथेसिस पुन्हा तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी रिवाइज करता येतात अशा अर्थानं आहे. नाव नेक्स्ट, डी स्लेसिंगर अँड एम स्टेफन्सन in the Encyclopedia of Social Sciences define research as the manipulation of things, concepts or symbols for the purpose of generalizing to extend, correct or verify knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the practice of an art. Means here research means nothing but it is the manipulation of things, concepts or symbols for what? For the purpose of generalizing, सामान्यीकरण, generalizing to extend, to correct or verify the knowledge, whether that knowledge aids in construction of theory or in the practice of an art, whatever it may be. Research is thus an original contribution to the existing stock of knowledge, making for its advancement. Means whatever available existing knowledge is there, we are going to contribute directly, indirectly, originally for its advancement. It is the pursuit of truth with the help of study, observation, comparison and experiment. Means under research we have to study, we have to observe, we have to compare and we have to undertake the experiments in order to pursuit of truth. सत्याचा पाठीमागे लागतो आपण. In short, the search for knowledge through objective and systematic method of finding solution to a problem is research. In short, research is nothing but it is the search for knowledge through the objective and systematic method of finding solution to the problem is called as research. The systematic approach concerning generalization and the formulation of a theory is also research. As such, the term research refers to the systematic method. It is nothing but directly indirectly we are studying here systematically in order to gain the new knowledge or unknown things. Now, research methodology consisting of defining the problem, formulating a hypothesis, collecting the facts or data, analyzing the facts and reaching certain conclusions either in the form of solutions toward the concerned problem or in certain generalizations for some theoretical formulation. Under research methodology, we are going to define the firstly research problem. Accordingly, we are going to formulate the hypothesis. Then we have to collect the data from various sources. After data collection, we are going to analyze the data or facts and coming or reaching up to the certain conclusions either in the form of solutions or toward the concerned problem or in the certain generalization of some theoretical formulation also. Means by using our conclusions we are directly indirectly going to put the solution on given problem or we are going to put the certain generalization or generalized statement or theory for some theoretical formulation also. Thank you.